everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 25th to the 29th of July 2022 on Monday. Tati is horrified when Ntokozo slices Mike Jr.'s neck. Ladies inviting Nkosinathi to sleep over at her house. Sibongile goes with Mr. Lebalo on Tuesday. Tati struggled to decide if she's going to save Mike Jr. As Sibongile struggled to find someone to take her in. Ladies decide to enjoy her newly found romance on Wednesday. Tati makes a deal with the devils. Sibongile learns the true meaning of freedom outside Gomora on Thursday. Nkosinathi puts Ntokozo in his place. Sibongile gets a reality check. Mark Jr. Drops a name that leaves Tati shivering on Friday. Stompy and Sonto save the day and get straight justice. Zodwa and Bongani unknowingly spend dirty money. Ladies and Nkosinathi get the moment they were waiting for. Guys, this is all I have for, so you can leave your comment below and share your opinion.